Hi, welcome to my channel. Are you learning Chinese? Do you have a Chinese name? When most of the 90s babies started entering into the workplace, especially in teaching area, it is so funny that there's a lot of students with the same name in the class. Wondering what are some common Chinese names among the post-millennial? Let's find them out. 子轩和子轩打架，撞伤了子轩和子轩。可心和可心跑过来劝架，撞到了若曦和若曦。子睿和子睿跑过去，告诉班干部浩然、浩宇和宇豪。大家一起拉开了子轩和子轩，扶起了子轩和子轩。雨桐、雨琪、雨涵拿来药品帮大家处理伤口。最后子轩在大家的帮助下握手言和。To explain what's happening amid this, please forgive my ugly drawing. Okay? Zixuan and Zixuan got injured while Zixuan and Zixuan were fighting. 可心和可心 tried to stop fighting, but they were bumped into 若曦and 若曦. 子睿and 子睿 ran to tell the class cadres 浩然、浩宇和宇豪。子轩and 子轩 were separated. They picked up 子轩and 子轩。雨桐、雨琪、雨涵 brought some medicine to deal with the wounds, and finally, 子轩 and 子轩 decided to stop fighting and made up. Now follow me to write. 子轩和子轩打架，子轩 and 子轩 were fighting. 子轩and 子轩 were fighting. 子轩 and 子轩 got injured. 子轩 and 子轩可心和可心跑过来劝架。可心 and 可心 ran to stop the fighting. 可心心可心 and 可心跑过来劝架 stop the fighting. 撞到了若曦和若曦撞到了 they bumped into 若曦曦若曦和若曦 and 若曦 子睿 and 子睿跑过去告诉 run to tell 子睿和子睿跑过去告诉班干部 the class cadre 浩然、浩宇 and 宇豪。浩然浩宇和宇豪 and 宇豪。大家一起拉开了子轩和子轩。子轩 and 子轩 were separated. 子轩和子轩扶起了 pick up 子轩 and 子轩。雨桐、雨琦、雨涵。雨桐、雨琦、雨涵。拿来 bring 药品 medicine 帮大家处理伤口 deal with the wound。最后子轩子轩子轩子轩。子轩子轩。在大家的帮助下 with everyone's help 握手言和 stop the fighting and made up 握手言和。子轩和子轩打架，撞伤了子轩和子轩。可心和可心跑过来劝架，撞到了若曦和若曦。子睿和子睿跑过去，告诉班干部浩然、浩宇和宇豪。大家一起拉开了子轩和子轩，扶起了子轩和子轩。雨桐、雨琦、雨涵拿来药品帮大家处理伤口。最后子轩在大家的帮助下握手言和。 Zixuan and Zixuan got injured while Zixuan and Zixuan were fighting. Kexin and Kexin tried to stop the fighting, but they bumped into Ruoxi and Ruoxi. Zirui and Zirui ran to tell the class casuals, Haoran, Haoyu, and Yuhao. Zixuan and Zixuan were separated. They picked up Zixuan and Zixuan. Yutong, Yuqi, Yuhan brought some medicine to deal with the wounds. And finally, with everyone's help, Zixuan, and Zixuan decided to stop the fighting and made up. If you need any help choosing a Chinese name, let me know in a comment. Now, that's all for today. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.